Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm April May Walston and today we're painting this really cute little giraffe. So stay tuned. So as you see, I've already got my design drawn out. I got this off of Pinterest and I didn't modify it or anything. This is exactly how it came or how I saw it on Pinterest. It was just too cute to modify. Sometimes I'll change up a design to make it more my own, but I did not with this one. And so I'm trapping it in black, which just means I'm outlining it in black. And I'm using Liquitex airbrush in opaque black. I like this because it's very thin and it's really black. This is just going to help me stay in the lines, allow you to see the design better. It's like I never paint every rock the exact same way. It really kind of just depends on the design, on how I go about doing it. Whether I trap first or later, it kind of just depends. This is more cartoon style, so trapping it first makes sense. And then I'm using a burnt sienna and a white and just going, and you can use any colors you want. You can make him green and purple. You know, when these are your rocks and your design, you have all the liberties in the world to just do what you creatively feel inspired to do. There is no wrong or right. And I think I'm just using kind of straight burnt sienna for his spots, or her spots. I think it's a boy. Just super cute. And normally I would paint the background first. On this one I paint the background later. That's why there's just no hard and fast rules with painting. You just do it however you want to. I'm using kind of an off-white yellow-ish color. When I just need a little bit of a color, I won't even put it on my palette. I'll just stick my paintbrush in the end. Oh, I guess I decided I needed more than what I was doing. I keep getting my head in the way. Now I'm using an extremely big brush for this area. There I go. I switched back. I'm just painting him in pink. Little ears. I realized when I drew the design, I didn't realize this at the time, but the leaf with the branch in his mouth, it doesn't actually sit in his mouth. I would modify that if I were to repaint this again. But this rock's already been hidden, and I know it's already been picked up. It hasn't shown up on my Facebook page, but maybe it will here soon. I paint the eyes blue and then realized that was a mistake. They should have been white. So I will go in and fix that here in a minute. I drew the design a while back. Sometimes I'll get a bunch of rocks. I made this one out of a mold, and I will go see. Here's a couple of things. I'll go in and draw out the design ahead of time. So here I'm fixing the white, and you see where I've painted the black up by those antler things. I don't even know what you call those things. I was testing black for the background, and I decided I didn't like it, so I just let it dry. Now I fixed his eyes. They should have been white, and then I'll go in with the pupil. But I'll do these designs ahead of time to kind of plot out what I'm going to do for each day of the week. I try to paint 2 rocks a day. Usually I'm successful, but not always. So now I'm doing the background in all blue, which I think turned out a lot better than if I had painted it black. I got this mold off of Amazon, and I like them, but I kind of prefer to just hand mold. I just do my rocks now with cement, and I just do them by hand. But if you're not comfortable doing that, these molds are nice. I have a small round, and then I have an oval. It's a little bit bigger. And this is a really easy, quick design to do. I think it took me 1 hour and 15 minutes to paint this. You see, I've painted over his eyelashes, and I'll go back in and fix that. It took a couple of layers to get everything, to get this background perfect. And then I'm going to go in here, I am retrapping it with black to clean up those lines. I really enjoy trapping a design. There's something about it that it makes it pop, and I enjoy the process of actually trapping it. And I haven't even put his pupils in yet. There's his eyelashes. Added some bottom ones. There we go. Now our baby has some eyeballs. They're uneven, but hopefully I go in and fix that. Retrapping the spots. There we go. Fix that. So now I'm doing a little bit of shading. Even though this is more cartoon style, I still am going to go in and do some shading. I got some magenta to do the inside of the lower part of the ears. And magenta against that burnt sienna makes a perfect shadow color. I water it down and do a glaze over, and it just really looks pretty. You don't always have to add your shadows in like a black. You can do it with a complementary color, like brown, what was it, orange and more purple. If you think they are on, well, they're not. Orange and yellow are on the opposites, but orange and purple look good together. They're kind of close, so they work well as a shadow color. Now I'm just signing my rock, and we're all done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and share it with anybody you think would enjoy watching this video as well. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.